Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to force any app to use a dedicated graphic card in your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So at first what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu and click on settings, and now on your left side you have to click over there system. Now click on display from your right side. After that scroll down and you just need to select this option which is called graphics under related settings. Now here you will get all your apps over there. So suppose I want to keep the dedicated graphic card for CSGO, then I have to click on CSGO and go to option, and here you will get a two option which is power saving and another one is high performance. So click on high performance and after that click on save. After that it will done. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.